Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this adorable pickle. We will need green plush yarn, yarn needle, 10mm safety eyes. I used a 5mm crochet hook, crochet markers, some toy stuffing and scissors. Round 1. Make a magic ring and make a loop. Make 6 single crochet into the magic ring. Find the yarn tail and tighten the circle. Make 6 increases. An increase means 2 single crochet in one stitch. You will have 12 stitches at the end of the row. Attach a marker. Make 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat this pattern 6 times. We will have 18 stitches at the end of the row. Fourth row, make 2 single crochet. And now let's make a bubble stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook, 3 loops on the hook, pull through 2 loops, again yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, 4 loops on the hook and pull through 2 loops, again yarn over, insert the hook, 5 loops on the hook, pull through 2 loops. Now there are 4 loops left, pull through all 4 loops to close the bubble stitch. Remember how to make this bubble stitch? Continue 15 single crochet until the end. At the end of the row we will have 18 stitches. Fifth row, we make it without any changes. Simply crochet 18 single crochet. Sixth round, crochet 7 single crochet. Then bubble stitch. and crochet the remaining 10 single crochet. At the end of the row there will be 18 stitches. Crochet the 7th round without any changes, 18 single crochet, eighth round, crochet 13 single crochet, then bubble stitch, and crochet 4 single crochet. At the end of the row there will be 18 stitches. Ninth round, crochet 3 single crochet, bubble stitch, and then crochet 14 single crochet. At the end of the row there will be 18 stitches. Tenth round, crochet without any changes, 18 single crochet. 11th round, crochet 8 single crochet, then bubble stitch, and crochet 9 single crochet until the end of the row. At the end of the row there will be 18 stitches. Crochet the 12th and 13th rounds without any changes, 18 single crochet. 14th round, crochet 15 single crochet, bubble stitch, crochet 2 single crochet. At the end of the row there will be 18 stitches. Fifteenth round, crochet without any changes, 18 single crochet. 16th round, crochet 3 single crochet, bubble stitch, and crochet 14 single crochet. At the end of the row there will be 18 stitches. In this round we insert 10 mm safety eyes. crocheted without any changes, 18 single crochet, 18th round, crocheted as follows: 1 single crochet in 1 decrease. Repeat this pattern 6 times. At the end of the row there will be 12 stitches. Stuff our toy. Make 6 decreases. And close our opening. Now create a smile for our pickle. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I will be happy to see your results on my Instagram and I will definitely check them out.